my name is Karen Jones. I am the owner and founder of Bubbles Bodywear, and in this video I'm going to be talking about our oblong traditional silicone butt or hip pads. The oblong traditional silicone can be worn as either butt pads or hip pads. Most frequently you will see this shape sold as hip padding. As on the hip, it can be worn like this, or it can be worn like this. It really is just what looks most natural on your body and gives you the look that you're going for. We also sell these as butt pads. They're really great for people who have maybe like more narrow hips or a taller butt because they cover more of the body from top to bottom as compared to just a traditional round shaped pad. Our oblong pads come in two sizes. We have A and B. You can see the B is noticeably bigger, not significantly. You'll find that the A's fit great with an extra small or small panty, maybe a medium, depending on the boost that you're going for. The B's are going to be medium and up. Great for filling in a hip dip in particular, but also will give you an hourglass curve. And of course, as many of us already know, a little shapewear trick is that bigger hips give the illusion of a smaller waist. So one of the key takeaways about our traditional silicone hip or butt pads is that they are very realistic to the touch. Silicone is a premium material, so it's going to be more expensive than foam padding, but it's going to give a very natural look and feel. Sort of feels like it's moving when you move, feels like an extension of your own body, which in turn gives a little extra confidence boost as well. Thanks so much for watching.